Whoa! What's up, guys? Good to see you again. It's been a long time since my last video, snowmobile video, and today we're actually doing some, but my brother is stuck somewhere. Yeah. And I don't know where he is, so I have to wait for him. And yeah, today we'll have some good videos about snowmobiling, and I think it'll be a great video, because I'm actually taking my time, because I'm only with my brother, so we both have time to film some things, and I'll try my best to do epic stuff, but I'm not sure if you'll see it on the camera, but I'll try my best with different point of views. I'm actually trying them now because I had a new GoPro, and this one's better. It's the 12 Black, so if you wanna check that out, you should, because it's really a good camera. And I'm trying on with different mounts, like front mount, side mount, and the side mount with an extension to have a better POV. So I'll just wait for my brother to come back and I'll try this on. So see you guys Holy shit! My mount just broke. What? Fuck, no! Can you see that? Holy shit. Alright, what the fuck? Okay. At least I didn't lose the camera, bro. It's like $500. I don't want to lose that shit. Oh my god. Alright. This is so much a good day. Holy shit. Just broke off the clips. Like, what the fuck? Fuck. Sorry. Oh my god. I was not ready for that. Hey guys, don't buy things from Amazon unless it's a brand selling things on Amazon, like GoPro selling GoPros. Do not buy crappy stuff like that. I know I bought it, but there's a few things that are good, but I think this type of plastic is fucking trash. Like, seriously. I'll try to not do that again, I guess. Yeah, this will do it. Sorry for making the video bad. I won't cut it, but if you want to skip it, it's okay. So we'll go back, but I'll try to do something a bit cooler for you to maybe give a like. Alright, so here we go.